Hi, thanks for coming back to my channel. I didn't have any voice this day. I was having problems with my power steering. I had been wheeling pretty hard and my ram wasn't set up correctly, which loosened my tie rod and moved my ram. That caused the hose connectors on the power steering to come loose, and they leaked. So in this video, I tighten up the hoses, refill the fluid, and bleed the system. I thought it'd be a good video because who doesn't need to know how to do that?
She can't yell at me. This is awesome.
Yeah, everybody loves it except me. And then cycle my steering and hopefully like some air out of the system. So I thought it'd be a fun video to put together.
You can see where the leak is coming from here at this connection. It's dripping down, it's dripping over the end of it here. So I just tightened the fitting here using my adjustable wrench, and that took care of the source of the leak. The next step was to fill the power steering fluid to the max fill line. So now we're going to jack up the front end of the Jeep and cycle the steering back and forth to allow the air to escape. I will edit this down for your benefit. It was several passes back and forth each time, but you get the idea. After cycling the steering, you want to check the level again to refill any that has been moved through the system. In my case, I had to top it off a couple times and cycle it a few times, but you get the idea. I hope this short video was helpful for you. I know I get a little intimidated with some of these projects, but even my little helpers here show you how easy this is, and when needed, it's a really handy thing to know how to do.